Good morning. This is Diana from Bloomerang, and I'd like to talk to you about backyard birds. Even if you live in the city, there is an abundance of birds around if you take the time to stop and listen. It may not always be easy to spot the birds, but you can hear them if not see them. I invite you to listen with me and allow me to show you the birds that have been visiting my backyard. Have you heard this bird song before? This bird gets its name from the mournful sound of its cooing. Can you guess what it is? It's a mourning dove. The coo, woo, 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 coo, woo, woo, woo call is almost always uttered by the male bird, not the female, and is a wooing call designed to attract a mate or a potential mate. The mourning dove is one of the most common game birds in North America. Mourning doves eat up to 20% of their body weight each day, and seeds make up 99% of their diet. They almost always lay eggs in pairs, and I bet these two are looking for a good place to build their nest. Mourning doves stay with the same mate throughout the breeding season, and it's thought they may remain monogamous throughout their life. This next bird is one you've probably seen a lot. The American robin is often thought of as a sign of spring, but it is actually a year-round bird for Indiana. Despite its name, the American robin doesn't actually belong in the robin family. It belongs in the thrush family. Their favorite foods are earthworms, insects, berries, fruits, and occasionally small snails. You can attract them to your yard by offering fresh water in the form of a pond or a bird bath, and with berry-producing plants. Wherever you are, you have probably seen or heard this bird or one of its relatives. Does it seem familiar? Few birds are happier in the company of man than these birds. These are house sparrows, and for much of the year it is rare to find them far from human habitations. They were introduced to North America in 1851 when a group of 100 birds from England was released in Brooklyn, New York. Now they are the most widely distributed wild bird. They are very sociable birds and often nest in colonies. Its nests are usually grouped together in clumps, and they engage in social activities such as dust or water bathing and social singing. Last but not least, do you recognize this bird? This bird is the state bird of Indiana. It is also the state bird for Illinois, Kentucky, North Carolina, Ohio, Virginia, and West Virginia. More states have adopted this bird as their state bird than any other bird. Do you know what it is? It's the northern cardinal. Known for its bright red plumage, its conspicuous crest, its black face, its pretty song, and its rather friendly character, it's hard to miss. As with most birds, the male of the species are a brighter color than the females, but they sing equally well. Those are just some of the birds that have visited my backyard. I hope you've enjoyed their visit as much as I have. Let us know if any of these birds visit your backyard as well, and what other birds are in your area.